Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a new Apple ID, right? And this is the best and the shortest method which I can show you. As you can see here on the screen, you have to open your iPhone, then just go to the App Store. Once you click on the App Store here, then you will be in the your App Store. Here on the top right you will see your profile icon and you have to tap on it. Now here, as you can see, it will ask you to make your Apple ID. If you have not created Apple ID, then directly you will be here. Now here you have to go and click on create new Apple ID, right? Once you do this, here it will ask your email address, password, and verify. So here you have to enter your email and the password and the confirmed password, right? So you can add your existing any email which you want to link with your Apple ID, right? And once it's done, agree to the terms and conditions, select your country, and then move to the next. Now here it will ask here for the payment details. Now here you can add your any kind of payment details, whether it's a debit or credit card or PayPal. But if you don't want to add it, that's fine. You can just go and click on none. And here, by the way, it will also ask you to add your address if you're adding your payment details. If you don't want to add it, that's fine. Now here you have to verify your phone number and your email address. And this is how you can just make your Apple ID. After that, you can access Apple Tunes, Apple Music, and there's a lot of Apple products which you can use in your daily map. And it's really useful. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.